In this video, I want to show you how you can easily leave a Facebook group. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is come over to Facebook, and then once you're on Facebook, you will be on your newsfeed. And then from here, what you need to go in and do is click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then go ahead and click on groups. And then once you've clicked on groups, as you can see there in the top left, there's an option there for your groups. Click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, you will be able to see all the groups that you are in at the moment. And if you want to go ahead and leave a group, just go ahead and select which one you want to leave. So I'll go ahead and select this real and 100% legit working from home jobs that I joined a couple of months ago. And if I want to go ahead and leave this group, all I need to go ahead and do is click on these three dots in the top right corner. And then as you can see right down there at the bottom, there's an option for leave group. All you need to go ahead and do is select that. And then go ahead and click on leave group to confirm it. And then as you can see, it's leaving group. Give it a couple of seconds, and then as you can see, it asks you for some feedback, but you can just go ahead and click on close if you want to go ahead and do that. And then as you can see, I have now left this group. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.